Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find coordinates in BricsCAD. So let's get straight into it. Now here in the comment line type in ID point and press enter. Now you will need to select point to identify coordinates. So I will go with that one here at the end point. So or you can select center, just because of that you ensure you pick the precise location. So let's go with that one like that. uh, so the coordinate will appear in the command line or prompt history. Press F2 to see the history if it's hidden. So let's go and do that. So F2 and now you can see here we have some history like that. And okay, we have coordinates right over here. So as you can see, right here are select point to identify coordinates X, Y, and Z. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.